What's up, guys? What are y'all doing today?
Skydiving.
Yeah, jumping out of an airplane.
Yeah.
Perfectly good airplane.
Whose idea was this?
My wife bought me the package.
So it's her fault if anything goes wrong.
You know,
Always blame the wife if you can. High five on that.
she probably wanted us to go up separately like we have to as well. That's why she
So
got the package.
I'm gonna be taking both of you skydiving. Travis is gonna be hanging out outside flying video. You guys excited, scared, nervous?
Looking forward to it, yeah.
Your first, right?
First time.
Go rock and skydive. Got some fun, guys.
Oh, yeah. Alright, you ready to jump out of an airplane?
Here we go.
Yeah.
Just watch your dad go.
It'll look easy.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
What do you think of this?
This is awesome.
You did great. You have fun?
So much.
Pull this one all the way down. I'll help you. Look at the camera. Smile. We're gonna go all the way around. Yeah. And done. Good. You okay? You want to do another turn?
Yeah.
Pull the left one down all the way. I'm not even gonna touch it. It's all you. Alright guys, we did it. What do you think of that?
It was awesome.
You have fun?
So much fun.
Coming back next weekend, do it again?
One of these weekends.
Soon.
I'll let you open the parachute next time, for real. Both of you did great. Give me a high five. Oh yeah. Oh
Oh, yeah, guys.
Thank you.
Skydive Colorado Springs, thanks for coming out.